Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will categorize the top brands of ghees available in the market from worst to best. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will receive notifications of my new video immediately. If there is one food should be part of everyone's diet, it is golden nectar called ghee. But which ghee do you use? Is it Amul ghee, Patanjali cow ghee, Govardhan ghee, Milk Food, or Organic India? What did the lab results show when these most popular brands of ghee were tested? Basically, which is the best ghee in the Indian market? In category 1, I will talk about the worst ghee available in the market. I call them the fake ghee. They are popularized due to their extremely cheap rates and unethical marketing. These are nothing but partially hydrogenated oils, probably the worst cooking mediums. If you care even a little about your health, stay away from them. Category 2. This category includes the ghee which a majority of Indian population consumes. The very first question that arises is about the possible adulteration in these commercial brands. Thankfully, all the brands pass the adulteration test. But are they healthy for consumption? Answer is no. Why? First one is breed of cow used. And second is method of ghee production. They all used foreign breed cows like Jersey and Friesian Holstein, which are a source of A1 milk which is proved to be harmful for the human body, majorly responsible for type 1 diabetes and cardiac diseases. Patanjali's cow ghee, even though it has been extracted from the milk of foreign breeds, very proudly has printed the picture of Desi cow Tharparkar on the back. Also, Amul ghee comes in two variants, pure ghee which is a mixture of buffalo and cow milk and pure cow ghee, although both uses A1 cow milk. But all the ghee in this category prepared ghee from cream, not curd, which is not a traditional way of making it. It is a lazy way of extracting ghee and does not give a quality of its own. They are not healthy at all. So I concluded all the ghees in this category are far from the best. In category 3, I included all the organic ghees like Organic India and Akshay Kalpa, which is definitely better than the ones discussed in the previous category. The ghee in this category made from organically raised cows which are not exposed to harmful chemicals, pesticides and artificial hormones that may have been used in the ghee in category 2. But they are still not the best, as the problem lies with the breed of cows and the method of production of ghee, which is again not healthy for us. Moreover, they are charging a premium price for a ghee, almost double. Category 4. This category includes the best ghee in the Indian market. This includes the ghee made from our own Desi cows of India like Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Tharparkar, Kankrej, Rathi, without any cruelty, rather with love and accordance with the Ayurvedic scriptures. This category ghee made from A2 milk, which is known for its miraculous properties and health benefits. This ghee is extracted from 3000 years old Vedic method called Bilona method, where the ghee is made from curd, not cream. This category ghee includes A2 Gir Cows Vedic ghee, Gau Amritam Vedic ghee, Shri Radhe A2 Gir Cows ghee, Kapiva A2 Desi Cow Tharparkar ghee, and Divya Kamdhenu Gir Cows ghee. This category ghees are not only following the typical methods mentioned in the Ayurvedic scriptures but are also taking care of what they are feed to the cow. Even the herbs like Ashwagandha and Shankpushpi are the part of their diet and accordingly milk produces is more nutritious. Category is suitable for one and all. Ayurveda suggests how ghee produces from different varieties of Indian cow breeds are more favorable to which body type. It is the authentic ghees which nourishes the Sapt Dhatus, which doesn't let stubborn fat sit on the body. It also naturally rich in conjugative linoleic acid, which is popular for weight loss. So please choose this category ghee. According to me, drink less but drink quality. Thank you so much. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now. Thank